Hello students of Standard First, DAV Mall Public School. Welcome you all in online session of English. This is Usha and today's topic is The Greedy Monkey Part 2. This topic is taken from your English reader. As we learned in the previous video that monkey was very greedy and he got a lesson for his greediness, got a punishment for the greediness. First we saw that the monkey was sitting on the tree and cat was under the tree, and they decided to go inside the house because the cake was on the table and bananas were in the basket. So they go inside the house. Then they started eating bananas. Cat ate cake and monkey started eating bananas 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And then cat suggested to the monkey that the woman is coming and she has a stick, so run from the window, jump from the window. But monkey was very greedy. He continued his eating bananas. And now then he was very fat and he was unable to run from the window. Then the woman came and he started giving him punishment, and in this way the monkey got the lesson for his greediness. Now the question answers from the chapter. Okay, students, note down in your copy. Complete this question answers in the copy and send me the photo. Where was the monkey? Where was the monkey? Yes, the monkey was on the tree. The monkey was on the tree. What was the woman keeping on the table? Yes, what was the woman keeping on the table? The woman kept cake and some bananas on the table. Note down, the woman kept cake and some bananas on the table. Where was the cat waiting? Yes, the cat was waiting under the chair. The cat was waiting under the chair. The next question, what was the monkey eating? What was the monkey eating? Yes, the monkey was eating bananas. The monkey was eating bananas. These all are question answers. Note down in the copy. Now, who said these words? I have to eat bananas. Sorry, I want to eat bananas. Who said these words? Tell me. I want to eat bananas. Yes, monkey says. Monkey said these words. I want to eat bananas. Here note down monkey. Write down monkey. Monkey wet. Who said? The cat said these words. I am very hungry. Who said I am very hungry? Yes. Who said these words? I am very hungry. Monkey said. Yes, monkey said these words. I am very hungry. She has a stick in her hand. Yes, cat said. So complete this exercise in the copy and book also. Okay, and send me the pic. Okay kids, thank you. Bye, have a nice day.